PharmaMax's Reflection CPM, which stands for Calibration and Preventive Maintenance, is designed to help pharmaceutical companies meet stringent regulatory requirements through meticulous management of calibration and maintenance processes. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how Reflection CPM ensures compliance. Automated calibration management, scheduled calibration. It automates the scheduling of calibration activities for equipment and instruments, ensuring they are performed on time. Calibration records maintains accurate and up-to-date records of all calibration activities, including results and certifications. Alerts and reminders provides automated alerts and reminders for upcoming calibration deadlines to prevent overdue activities. Preventive maintenance scheduling. Maintenance planning automates the scheduling of preventive maintenance tasks based on equipment usage and manufacturer recommendations. Maintenance logs keeps detailed logs of all preventive maintenance activities, including performed tasks and outcomes. Issue tracking identifies and tracks potential issues before they lead to equipment failures or non-compliance. Regulatory compliance. Compliance checks ensures all calibration and maintenance activities adhere to industry regulations such as FDA, EMA, and ISO standards. Documentation management manages documentation related to calibration and maintenance, making it easily accessible for audits and inspections. Audit trails maintains comprehensive audit trails of all calibration and maintenance actions, providing transparency and accountability. Integration with quality management systems, or QMS. Data integration integrates with existing quality management systems to ensure consistency and accuracy across all quality-related activities. Reporting generates compliance reports and performance metrics to support quality control and regulatory submissions. Enhanced reporting and analytics. Performance metrics analyzes calibration and maintenance performance to identify trends and areas for improvement. Compliance reporting produces detailed compliance reports to demonstrate adherence to regulatory standards and internal policies. User training and support. Training programs provides training for users on the system's functionalities and best practices for maintaining compliance. Technical support offers ongoing support to address any issues and ensure the system operates effectively.